Hello everyone, my name is Bridget and I'm with the Science Center of Iowa. Today we're going to talk about fireworks and how those fireworks make really fun colors up there in the night sky. Have you been seeing and hearing any fireworks up there in the night sky? Have you been wondering how they get all of their big beautiful colors? Well, let's learn a little bit about the chemicals that make them work. In front of me here we have 4 different petri dishes filled with different chemicals called metal salts, as well as a little bit of methyl alcohol that will help us to make the fire so that we can see how the chemicals in the metal salts can actually change the color of fire. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about fire safety first. So, it's never, ever, ever safe to play with fire. I've been specially trained to do this demonstration in a controlled environment, meaning I know exactly what's gonna happen and when it's gonna happen, so I can keep myself safe and make sure anybody else that's watching can stay safe too. But luckily it's just me in this room right now. And I also have a fire extinguisher right here just in case. So, in order to check out how these metal salts work, we need to turn the lights off. So we're gonna go ahead and bring down the lights and then we're gonna light these things on fire. Wow, it's a lot darker in here. But what we're gonna do next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little torch lighter. You can hear it clicking. Aha, we have a flame. Now, I'm gonna take this little flame on the torch lighter and just bring it toward the petri dishes that have that methyl alcohol inside of it and the metal salts. And right away, we're gonna see some blue fire. Now the blue is coming from the really, really hot methyl alcohol that's burning off all that alcohol. But when we start to see little flickers of colors, we're seeing the metal salts actually get really excited in all of that hot fire, and those extra electrons in the metal salts are reacting and they're creating colors. The green fire that we're seeing all the way on the left is copper chloride. Next to that, the kind of pink color, is lithium chloride, and then next to that, the kind of purpley bluish and then the little tips of orange, that's potassium chloride, and then lastly on the far right is strontium chloride, making that kind of red-orange color. Let's take a look at some real fireworks next and see if we can identify all the colors. Ooh, that one looks kind of like strontium chloride. Oh, and there was some green copper chloride. Ooh, did you see the purple color in there? I bet that was potassium chloride. Ooh, and there's a little bit of pink in there too, with the lithium chloride. Now we can kind of see all the colors mixing together in this big, beautiful display of fireworks. Thanks for joining us to learn all about how metal salts change the color of fire and how fireworks make all of those colors up there in the night sky. Always remember to be safe with fire and to never, ever, ever play with fire. Thanks again for watching, and as always, go beyond with SCI. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.